Hello friends, I wanted to give this video out to you guys because I see a lot of patients that have mold sensitivity or autoimmune diseases, and we're trying to calm down the immune reactivity. So for those that drink coffee, I have two coffee, a coffee maker and an espresso machine. Come on over here. And so oftentimes we got to make sure we clean these out. I do use a mold-free coffee that is relatively inexpensive, especially when you get it on sale. A lot of times every few months they'll give you a sale 20% to 50% off, and that's when I get them. But this espresso machine here, underneath the grounds can get caught up, and so we want to make sure that we clean it. So for you guys that have this Breville espresso machine, I had to look it up. But how you clean it is, it comes with these cleaning tabs here. And so you'll see that. And then what you want to do is put that in here. And then you're going to close this like that. Make sure the back of the filter is completely maxed to the, with filtered water. And then it's pretty simple on here. You go to the settings and you're going to want to go to the cleaning cycle, and it tells you the instructions, and it's going to start. And make sure that tray is completely emptied as well, because it's going to accumulate the water. All right, hopefully you guys make regular continuous cleaning jobs out of your